Welcome to Logic Bits. I am Vinod Kumar. In this video, we will discuss variable arguments in Python programming language. There are two types of functions available in Python. Functions having fixed number of arguments. Once we define the number of parameters, we cannot change the number of parameters at the time of execution. This is the first type of function. In the second type of functions, the functions can have variable number of arguments. Depending upon the computing requirement, we can increase or decrease the number of parameters at the time of execution. When we don't have any clarity or idea, or we cannot predict the number of arguments for a function, then we can use variable number of arguments. When we use variable number of arguments, there are two versions available. The first one is positional arguments and the second one is keyword arguments. What is the meaning of positional argument and what is the meaning of keyword arguments? We will discuss in the subsequent slides. We can use positional arguments by using a single asterisk symbol. By using the single asterisk symbol, we can use positional argument. When we are using the positional argument, Python will create a tuple. The creation of a tuple and the processing of a tuple we will discuss in the example program. The second version is keyword arguments. We can create keyword arguments by using two successive asterisk symbols. When we are implementing the keyword arguments, Python will create a dictionary. The creation of a dictionary and processing of a dictionary we will discuss in the example programs. Now we can move on to the example programs. In the first example program, the name of the function is display. In this program, we are creating positional arguments. We are using positional arguments by using a single asterisk symbol. Following the positional argument, following the single asterisk symbol, we are using an identifier args. So in the name of args, a tuple will be created. In the name of args, a tuple will be automatically created by Python. A is a iterative variable. So we call the function for 3 times. This is the first time, second time and the third time. When we call the function for the first time, we are providing 3 string parameters. During the second call, we are providing 6 string parameters. During the third call of the function, we are providing 5 string parameters. So we are providing varying number of arguments between function calls. During the first call, we are providing 3 parameters. So these 3 parameters will be available in the tuple args. Python automatically create a tuple with these 3 parameters. By using the loop control variable a, we will iterate through the items available in the tuple. We simply print the value that is available in the iterative variable a. The values, the items available in the tuple will be displayed in the same line because we are using the n parameter. During the second call, we are providing 6 parameters. 6 parameters for the display function. The additional information is 22/7, the value of pi. It is a 3.14. The 3 represents the third English calendar month, March. 14 represent the date. So March 14th celebrated as International Day of Mathematics. So this information will be displayed in the output. During the third call, we supply 5 parameters. March 14th is also celebrated as Pi Day. What is the value of pi? It is 3.14. 3 represents the third English calendar month, March, and 14 represented the date. So March 14th is also celebrated as Pi Day. Now we can run the program. The first function call, we are providing 3 parameters. During the second function call, we are providing 6 parameters. During the third function call, we are providing 5 parameters. This is the output of the program. Now we can move on to the next example. So in this program, we are using keyword arguments. How can we create keyword arguments? By using 2 successive asterisk symbols. Python will create the dictionary by using this user defined name MYARGS. What is the name of the dictionary? MYARGS is the name of the dictionary. So in this dictionary, the user supplied parameters will be available. So to process, because dictionary is basically the combination of key and value. So to process the key and value, here we are using 2 iterative variables. To process the key and value, we are separately using 2 iterative variables. In the previous program, we are using only 1 iterative variable, because tuple is simply a collection of items. Whereas in the case of dictionary is a collection of name and value. So here we are using 2 iterative variables. One for iterating through the key and another for iterating through the value. Here we are mentioning MYARGS is the name of the dictionary, dot followed by the function items. Here we are using the for loop. We are using 2 iterative variables. Here we are using the in operator. We simply display the key value. We simply display key and value. Key and value separated by the colon symbol. At the first call to the function, we are calling the function for the first time. So we are providing 2 key value combinations. World Cup 1 is a key value, 1983 is a World Cup 1 is a key, 1983 is a value, World Cup 2 is a key, 2011 is a value. During the second call to the function, we are providing only 1 key value combination. WSC is a key, 1985 is a value. During the third call, we are providing 3 key value combinations. Sri Lanka is a key, 202 is a value, England is a key, 2013 is a value, Pakistan is a third key, 2025 is a value. So between different function calls, we are providing different key value combinations. So all these key value combinations will be available in this dictionary MYARGS, and we are iterating through the key and values by using this iterating variables k and v. The output will be displayed key followed by the colon symbol followed by the value. Now we can run the program. This is the output of the program. Key value separated by colon. This is the first call of the function. We are providing 2 key value combinations. During the second call, we are providing only a single key value combination. During the third call, we are providing 3 key value combinations. What is the meaning of a tuple? What is the meaning of a dictionary? We already discussed in separate videos. The link is available in the form of I button and end screen. Please see those videos, and you can see this video so that you can easily understand the concept. Let's move on to the third program. In the third program, the name of the function is cricket. Here also we are using the keyword arguments. MOARGS is the name of the dictionary. Here, when I call the function for the first time, I call the function cricket by using two key value combinations. World Cup 1 is key, 2007 is value. World Cup 2 is key, 2024 is a value. So what will happen? This is a simple statement, T20 World Cup, followed by, in this statement, by using the name of the dictionary, MOARGS is the name of the dictionary. By using the key value, by using the key, we can access the corresponding value. By using the key, we can access the corresponding value. So here I am using the key World Cup 1. So what will happen? The corresponding value 2007 will be displayed in the output. When we run the program, 2007 will be displayed in the output. Now I change the value. Now I change the value here. I will change the key World Cup 2. So for the key World Cup 2, what is the corresponding value? It is 2024. The year 2024 will be displayed in the output. Save the program. Now we can save the program and we can run the program. Here the value 2024 displayed in the output. That's all for now. For more videos, please subscribe to Logic Bit channel. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.